Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to review the new Netflix series Betal. The most interesting thing about this series is this is produced by the Red Chilli Corporation. This is Shah Rukh Khan's second job with Netflix. Apart from that, this was directed by Patrick Graham. He is already well known for the Cowl movie, which was very good according to the audience. Now in this one also he tried to implement some apocalyptic horror and some little bit of mythological story in this series. So why the series is named after Betal? How the name came? For this series, one more interesting thing is this series already written by Patrick Graham himself. This character Betal is somewhat inspired by the actual story which is written by Somdev, which is already well known to us as Betal Pishachi. Here also one British period colonel is involved who was very much greedy and want to get all the power of Betal. So he sacrificed his own son to get those powers, and he ultimately got those powers, but he was cursed and his soul was entrapped in a cave of the mountain Betal. Now the question comes, how the story is connected to recent days world. When government tries to build one highway which connects the tribal society of that place to the modern world, that involves the Betal mountain and the tunnel as well. So they had to reopen the tunnel, which was so much chaotic because already the villagers knew the danger of opening the tunnel. So by any means they tried to stop the contractors. Here they have involved some CIPD officers to do the job. Ultimately those CIDP officers came and they opened the tunnel by any means, which is a little bit tricky, and you have to watch the series to know that part. And then they ultimately got to know what was inside and what was the actual danger. They also were afraid and they fight back the so-called zombie which were entrapped inside, and which was British Army and the army of Colonel Landog as well. So to know the whole story you have to watch the series. Now let's talk about the good and bad of this series. For good, I'll start with the story. The story is a little bit of old and new mix, and that will create an impact on the audience because it already based on the well-known mythological story which I have told you already, and it involves some apocalyptic zombies as well. So while watching you will be entertained. Second thing, it has some really good VFX which can compete already existing Hollywood series. For the next point comes the acting. Everyone acted in this series were up to the mark, and especially the lead character Bikram Sirohi, Ahluwalia, and the little girl Sanvi. Next point comes cinematography. Even though this series involves mostly night scenes, the cinematography was so well the audience can view the dark and light separately and the contrast very well. And next point is the first 2 episodes where you will get most surprising elements and which will really surprise you, and the story will be completely unpredictable. Next comes the director himself, Mr. Patrick Graham. He did really a good job because single-handedly he has written the story and directed so well that connected the audience very well. Now for the last but not the least fact for this series is the climax, which is really twisty and which gives the audience hope for a new season as well. So to know the story and how it works out, you must watch this series. Now come to the disadvantage or cons of this series. For first thing, I want to tell you the BGM was little bit old or already existing BGM and couldn't make that much impact to the audience. Second thing, as I already told you, the first and second episode was really unpredictable, but how the story goes will be a little bit predictable and not so convincing to the audience for the third and fourth episode. So for now, this much was the review. Thanks for watching our channel. Please keep supporting us. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Take care of yourself.